In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude on the desktop to easily upload files to your CMS right from your Mac. Now, this requires an MCP server that's built into the CMS, and you need to connect that. We've got a video on how to do that. So I'm going to presume you've gone ahead and done that, and then I'll show you how this works. So I've got my CMS here, and it's got some articles already in it, but we're going to go over to Claude, and I've prepared some sample Markdown files. I have them here in the Finder. And these are just some random articles that I got AI to create just for the purpose of this demo. And I'm in Cowork here, Claude Cowork. And what I can do, I can take these files here, and I can drop them onto Claude Cowork, and it knows we're going to work with these files. And I'm going to say, can you upload these articles to my blog, set them as draft, and apply suitable tags. So you can see Claude working away here. It's read 5 files, and it's got each article. And now it's going to take those and create them on the CMS. So it's asking us for some permissions here, and we'll say yes, allow this task. Okay, so Claude's finished. It took a while to do, but not bad considering it was 5 articles, and it's gone ahead and created those. And as it was doing it, you can monitor the progress here. So let's hop over to the blog and see how it did. So I'm back in my CMS, and let's just refresh this page. So as you can see, it's uploaded all the articles here, and we can just click into one of these and have a look at how it did. Publishing workflows. It's given it a title, added all the content there. It's even used the code syntax for listing out a file there. It's made this in bold. It's done a really great job, added all the tags we wanted. Yeah, really seamless, really easy to work with. And I could go back to Claude and ask it to tweak these, to change these articles, maybe update the tags in them if I had a specific set I wanted. When I'm happy with them, I could even tell Claude to go ahead and publish them. So this is a really nice and simple way to get files from your Mac up into the CMS. So if you've got any questions about using this or other ways to use Claude, do let us know. We're always around on the forum. And I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from it, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.